Okay, friends, you are always looking for a product that you can start selling. These two products right here, this one and this one, are actually very hot selling Alibaba products that you can easily sell and make yourself huge fortune. Personally, I've sold this product. I made more than 2,000 euros a day doing drop shipping in Europe. And I want to show you guys exactly the calculation that you can do so that you can be able to use this same product and do more than 1,000 euros per month in Africa if you follow exactly the strategies that I'm about to show you guys in this video. First thing, what do? We come onto the Alibaba platform. This is actually the Alibaba platform. As you can see, we go and search for the product. The product name is actually called the T500 smartwatch. This T500 smartwatch is actually a very good product. First of all, before you actually buy this product, you need to know the characteristics. What are the kind of characteristics of legit supplier? What are those suppliers which are not going to be scammers? What is the minimum price and all the stuff?